Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rari, and in this video I want to show you guys my 3 favorite lip looks currently. So with all of these lip looks, I'll be using this brown lip liner, and you can use any lip liner of your choice. If you're interested into this video, let's get into it. So one of the first looks, I have this Revlon. I love this color, and this is how it looks. I'm going to go ahead with number 2. Number 2 is one of my favorite brands, NYX, and this is a nude beige, and this one is called Fortune Cookie. Now, my last one is from CoverGirl, and it's one of my favorite lip colors. It's a classic, timeless, and you know, we love a classic, timeless color. And this color is red, and the reason why I love this color is because it's not a everyday color. It's a color when you want to feel powerful and you want to feel like you got the juice. If you want to feel like you're intimidating other people, then this is the color for you. Now, if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, XOXO, Rari.